am an Instagram content creator and also a YouTuber. So make sure you please follow me on Instagram to get to see me more often. And if you are returning, you already know the vibes, you're an OG. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please don't forget to like this video and also leave me comments down below. From the title and from the thumbnail and everything, you already get the drill about what is going to go on in this video. I am going to be trying out vegan food for 24 hours. Now, this is not like me trying to disrespect vegans or anything. I just figured out that my diet has been a diet that I've not really had a lot of veggies in. Like, I eat veggies but not every time, so I wanted to like try out this challenge where I'll eat out just vegetables and very healthy food for 48 hours, right? So yesterday I went to shop actually, but I went late in the evening, so I could not take you guys to the market, but I'll be showing you guys some of the things that I got. Start with breakfast. I'm going to be having banana pancakes today for this morning, and obviously I will just mash up the banana in a plate just to get out the smoothness out of it. Then I went ahead to add a bit of soy milk to it to just give it the consistency that I want the whole pancake to have. Then obviously I went ahead to mix up everything together to give it that very nice paste. And the next thing was just to make the pancakes from the dough that I had already mixed. For drink, I decided to make a very nice smoothie. So in the smoothie, I have orange, I have some spinach and some cucumber. So what I basically did was cut them all up, wash them obviously, and I cut them, and I decided to blend them to just get this very nice smooth smoothie consistency. And that was basically it for the drink. Lived in a life actuated by dreams of what could be. I really tried to rewrite my misshapen reality. Just before I move to the next segment of this video, let me introduce guys to today's sponsor. So this video is sponsored by Lightsalt Week. Lightsalt Week is a restaurant that serves strictly vegan/healthy meals. As student, and depending on the profession that you do, it's usually very difficult to prep your healthy meals or your veggies just before you head out to school, and that is why Lightsalt Week is there. They are able to prep your meals for you depending on your calories, depending on your vegetables, or depending on the side dishes that you want. And you could also order directly from the meals that they have ready on their menu. Also, in addition to the meals, they sell very fresh smoothies like the guava, the mango, the avocado, and the berry smoothie, which have zero addictive and zero sugar, so you can trust that they are completely healthy. They are open to take orders in the morning from 9 o'clock to 8:30 in the evening. For days when you want to get your meals earlier than that, you could order a night before and keep it safe in your fridge, and trust me, they'll remain as fresh as possible. You could also walk into the restaurant, and I'm going to be leaving the address down in the description box. So basically, to save some coins from your orders, you can use my discount code DOLU10 to save 10% off. Here's your chance to start eating healthy and eating fresh foods as much as you can. Make sure you shop from them, and yeah, let's get into the rest of the video. For lunch, I actually did not feel very hungry for some reason, so I decided to go for something light, and I had this very nice parfait, if I'm to say. So it had yogurt, it had coconut flakes, almond nut, and some dates, which are like very, very, very healthy and nutritious to your health. And this particular recipe is really, really nice. I find it really, really easy to make, and it's just one of those snacks that I like to throw in anytime I'm hungry but not too hungry, if that makes sense.
Starting on a new page feels better every time. Flip as simple as waking up next to you.
Trust me when I say today's dinner was one food I was very excited for, like when I was starting this whole challenge. Like I had not made pesto pasta before until this day, and I was just really excited, to make it. And it's basically easy. Like the fact that these things that we buy from restaurants and we can basically make them is just mind-blowing. But either way, let me cut all those crap and just go forward to how to make them. So obviously you have to cut in your garlic, and also cut in your spinach and some Parmesan cheese if you have any, and you just make sure you blend everything together to get a very nice paste. After you get your pesto paste, you can just keep that aside, and you obviously boil your spaghetti just the normal way. If you're using spaghetti or using macaroni, whichever one you want to use, you could just boil it to the way you like them boiled. And you just stir fry your pesto pasta with some onions, your avocados, and any other thing you want to throw in. Like you can literally personalize this however you want. For mine, I added a bit of tomatoes just so that I can have more veggies in it, and that was basically all that I needed to do to achieve this pesto pasta. But yeah, let me leave you guys to watch the rest and just enjoy it.
These thoughts I'll escape them. I got you turn and shoot. Shouldn't be more than a year or two. Is it bad that I feel misunderstood, or bad that I'm under you? I'm trapped beneath all the yeses I keep on giving. Is it bad that I don't wanna lose, or bad that it's always you? I'm losing all my days, but I still keep on going. My mind is split up in two about you now, and I know how to feel, but I won't run. My mind is split up in two about you now, about you. My mind is split up in two about you now, and I know how to feel, but I won't run. My mind is split up in two about you now, about you. All my weekends are the same, I guess it feels nice. Consistently consistent, something that we didn't. Is it bad that I feel misunderstood, or bad that I'm under you? I'm trapped beneath all the yeses I keep on giving. Is it bad that I don't wanna lose, or bad that it's always you? I'm losing all my days, but I still keep on going. My mind is split up in two about you now, and I know how to feel, but I won't run. My mind is split up in two about you now, about you. My mind is split up in two about you now, and I know how to feel, but I won't run. My mind is split up in two about you now, about.
It's a song that I wrote about falling too fast. but I wouldn't know anything about that.
I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding, and I press my lips together so you don't.
I literally did not want anything heavy this morning, so I decided to go for some fruit salad. And obviously, I had some spinach. Like the way I had eaten spinach for these last few days has been crazy, but I really enjoyed it. I had spinach, cucumbers, a bit of carrot, some tomatoes, and also some avocados. Like that was what made up this whole fruit and vegetable salad, and I really, really, really enjoyed it. Like it was a full bowl of vegetables and fruit, and it was so enjoyable and really, really filling, to be very honest. To make it more eatable for me, I decided to add a bit of mayonnaise also after I was done prepping everything, just so that I'll be able to eat it comfortably. But yeah, I really, really, really enjoyed this meal. Like this was a meal that I was not actually looking forward to, because I knew I was going to eat a lot of veggies, but I really enjoyed it. And also, I forgot, I added a bit of lime also, just to give it that very, very nice, salad-ish taste, if that makes sense.
And I press my lips together so you don't find any answer. I'm on my phone 6:30. Can't be texting you this early, cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them? I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding, and I press my lips together.
So guys, quick one. So basically, I added mayonnaise, obviously, as you guys saw, and I feel like it makes it much, much easier to eat your vegetables and your fruit like this. The breakfast I had earlier was super, super heavy, and I don't know, for some reasons I became hungry after a short while. Like this was not what I was supposed to have for lunch, but I just remember that I had a bit of pesto pasta from yesterday remaining, so I decided to warm the rest and just add that for like the first part of lunch. Moving on to the lunch that was actually prepared for today, I had some sushi and some smoothie. For the smoothie, I just add in some banana, some spinach, obviously, a bit of blueberries, and some protein powder, and I just blended that together, and that kind of made up the smoothie. For the sushi, I decided to order online, because I really don't know how to make sushi. So yeah, that was what I had for lunch.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, but you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Love is an island, a never-ending vacation. I've been feeling selfish, I never want you to share it. We be riding the same wave.
I was definitely on some kind of energy on this day because I don't know, as I was eating I was just getting hungry. I really don't know what happened. But for dinner I had some stir fried rice, if that is the correct word. For the veggies I had some spinach one more time, I had a bit of chili, I had some tomatoes in there, also onions and some carrot and also some cucumbers. So what I basically did was just to cut these vegetables into fine shapes and the desired shape that I want them to be. I grated the carrot and I also diced the cucumbers and also the chili, and I just stir fried this continuously till they became really soft and nice. And my parboiled rice was just added to it and I mixed it all together, and that was what made up the stir fried rice. Like, it was so nice and so fast to make. Like, if you want to just eat something really fast and very, very nice and healthy, I feel like this is also a very, very nice recipe that you can follow.
Drink juice from the sweetest berries, dance the night away. Count stars in the sky while the clouds roll by. Smoke flowers just to elevate. Hold hands when we need protection. Break bones but we always mend them. Every heartbreak is a lesson. Let it go, don't be afraid. Suitcases up and fly across the seas. Not a thing